on your name, fine wine. Girl, I saw you sexy all over my timeline. Have me, I think about the future, feel like some fine wine. Gotta love me and for you, coulda last for your lifetime. I know me into you so deep when you show me a lifeline. Woman, I'm yard now, me no plan for you in mind. Put some carrots on your finger, make you hate as you.
Guys, welcome back. So we're almost at that time of the year again, Valentine's. Everybody try to get sexified for their boo, and you know, even if you don't have a significant other, people just love to dress up, go out, and just, you know, be glam. So today I'm gonna be doing a full face Valentine's makeup look. The first product that I'm gonna take is my Sistar Brow Perfecting Pencil, which is just this pencil right here to fill in my brows. So I'm gonna be using my PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting HD Concealer from Sistar Cosmetics, and it's in Golden Beige. So I use this shade to just clean up beneath my eyebrow. Now, I always love to go in with a concealer closer to my skin tone for the top portion so that it looks more natural. I'm going in with another Sistar concealer, and this is in the shade Bronze. The bronze concealer is super close to my skin tone. I have to make sure I take this step whenever like I'm gonna do a dramatic eye look. So I go back in with my Golden Beige concealer, and I use this as the base for my eyeshadow, and basically just make sure that's blended evenly on the lids. The first thing I'm gonna take is my Pink Blossom eyeshadow palette from Sistar, and these are the colors that are in there. It's not the first time I'm using this. It's pretty good, well pigmented. I'm gonna be going in with this shade here, and I'm gonna use this in my transition area. So I'm gonna really just pat this in this area and then diffuse the end. So it's kind of like pat and swiping. So for the end portion, like where I want to blend upwards a bit, I'm gonna use the lighter shade beside it, which is this one here. Now I'm gonna jump into playing with some glitters, and I'm very excited about this because this is some of Sistar Cosmetics' new glitter eyeshadows. It came in this really nice packaging, which I really love. It's golden, and when you open it, everything is packaged like this. So these are all the shadows in there. This is a primer here, this one. 7 different colors of glitter. These are the Glow Glitter Shine Like a Diamond eyeshadows. So this one is Ambitious. This is how it looks. This is Ambitious. Then you have Rose Gold, Bright Bronze, Stardust, and these are so pretty, guys. Like Pink Pearl, 24K. So this one is really pretty. For the last color, you have Diamond, which is a silver. So I feel like today I want to go in and play with Rose Gold, the Rose Gold glitter. This is the primer that it comes with. This is the Glow Glitter Primer, basically. That's the name. And it's just white. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this first. So I'm just gonna go straight in with my Rose Gold. Guys, I'm so impressed with the color payoff of this. Like, it's like actual glitter, that you take up from out of a pot with the loose glitter pigment. It is much more convenient though, and that's what I love. If you notice, I made that cut crease effortlessly, and I did not use a brush. I just used the wand. Number one thing, it was not messy. Flawless application. It's beautiful, and the line, the cut crease line, is so clean. Super clean. Now what I feel like I want to do is go in with 24K and kind of like dab it on the middle area to kind of attract a little bit more attention to that area and see how it looks. So I'm just gonna go in here with 24K. This is absolutely stunning, guys. Now I'm just gonna go in and do a wing liner. So what I also realized with this glitter is, like, you know, when you use the traditional loose glitter, it would get like chunky and messy when you're trying to do your wing liner afterwards. So you'd end up having to do your wing liner before applying the glitter. Not with this. It went on really smooth, and there are no chunks, no lumps in the liner. That's really good, and I love it. So I feel like I kind of want to go in with another glitter. So I want to go in with that on the outer part of the wing there, but I feel like I'm gonna save that for after I've done my face makeup. I'm now gonna go ahead and apply my primer to my face, which is the Eyeshadow Skin Smoothing Primer, which is a lovely silicone-based primer. Really smooths out the skin, fills in any pores. So I apply that, you guys know, to my smile lines, which are like my problem areas. I'm gonna go ahead and do it my everyday way, which is just applying concealer and powder. Usually, you know that if I'm going in with a foundation, as I've demonstrated in previous tutorials, I use the Eyeshadow Skin Perfecting Liquid Foundation, which is in the shade Chocolate Chip. That's what I usually use for myself. But today I'm just gonna take it a little easy, a little less products. But this is amazing. If you need to see those tutorials, I'll link them down below in the description box. So check that out. So I'm gonna go in with Golden Beige now. So for the other portions of my face, I'm not going to use Golden Beige. I'm actually going to go in with Bronze, which is what I use over the top of my brows. And this is very close to my skin tone. I'm going to be using my Eyeshadow Skin Perfecting Finishing Powder. And this is a translucent powder, which is like a white powder, but it really doesn't have a color really. And just set everything. I know I've worn this powder multiple times and I did not get any flashback, okay? For the rest of my face, I go in with Eyeshadow Skin Perfecting Finishing Powder, another one of the finishing powders, but this time it's in chocolate. I go in with the powder puff that it actually comes with. And this is how it looks, and I just press this on to the skin, and then I take my powder brush to just blend out everything so there are no harsh lines and it looks seamless. For the tail end of my wing, I want to go in with some glitter, but before I do that, I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line with the shade I use as the transition in the beginning. I'm gonna go in with more of my 24K glitter, but I'm gonna take a brush so that I can make this really precise. I decided that I actually want to line my lower waterline, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Today I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, even though I'm almost done with my face. I'm gonna go into the contour palette and I'm going in with this shade here. Dab it in with my brush. I'm gonna move on to just illuminating. For illuminator, I'm gonna go into the same palette because this is a light golden highlight shade. And this is what I'm gonna use today, which is it's a subtle glow. It's not dramatic at all, and I don't mind it since the eyes are already so dramatic. Okay, so for the final portion, which is lips, I'm gonna be taking my Sistar Cosmetics Earthy Brown liner, and it's a retractable liner, which is so convenient, and I'm basically just lining my lips with this. All the glitters that I show you were eyeshadows, but looking at them, they remind me of lipstick so much. So I'm gonna improvise and I'm gonna use one of them as my lipstick color today. I'm going in with Ambitous. And the more I rub my lip together, the more glittery it looks. I'm loving this look. So basically this is like a first impressions for me for the glow glitter from Sistar Cosmetics, and I give it a thumb up, guys. Like, it's very convenient if you're one that loves glitter but you just can't deal with the hassle of applying it because it's just too messy. This is the glitter for you. Like, it's not messy. It comes out very clean. It could go ahead and pair this with a balm red lip. That would be beautiful as well. You could even do plum and it would look beautiful. And of course, you could just settle and go very simple and do nude or clear gloss. So you do have some options with this look, even though it's dramatic. I'll list all the products I used today, which were all Sistar Cosmetics products, so go ahead and check out my description box for that. I'll also link the Sistar Cosmetics website, and I also forgot to mention all these products, they are so affordable. Like, they are affordable, so for the quality that you're getting for that price, I believe that's amazing as well. The information on my wig is listed in the description box. Yes, it's from RPG Hair. My direct page link is also there, so go ahead, check that out. And yeah, I say go ahead and recreate this. You could go ahead and rock it out for Valentine's Day. Get cute. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye.